You mean you don't wash your feet after a pedicure?
No, because I know I'm coming back.
Okay, well that makes sense why your feet look like that. Okay, well.
Is that kind of rude?
Oh no, you know what? It's not that bad at all. It's just a little bit dirty, but you know what? We're gonna clean it up for you, okay?
Okay.
Don't worry about it. But I'm just gonna protect myself real quick.
Protect yourself from what?
Oh, you know, just
Well, that's pretty rude of you.
what's rude?
You should see what you look like. Are you saying my feet stink?
No, your feet doesn't sting at all. I'm just protecting myself. When I file the gel, it doesn't get in my nose because, yeah.
So you're saying my feet are that dirty?
Yeah, it's pretty badass.
And now you don't want to hear me.
You're fine, honey. Don't even worry about it.
I might be
Let's
fine,
normalize everything
Okay.
and we'll protect ourselves, okay?
Yeah. I don't know what you're protecting from, but
Yeah. Don't worry about it. I got you, okay?
you don't have a lot of clients, do you?
I have a lot of clients, but you know what? Your feet is fine. It's just a little bit dirty and...
But maybe you should have washed them longer
Let me
while
see.
they were there.
Whoa! Hold up.
Oh, hell no.
Oh my God. I just barely touched your toe? That's fucked up.
Are you kidding me?